what I'm saying, man. He's full of excuses.
Come on,
Thank you. Thank you, loser! You loser, thank you!
I got footage for sale. You guys buy it. If you want, you can buy it. Radio one.
Yo, share that! Share that! If me and you lost, they're talking mad shit! Share that!
That's my side.
See, you caught it, baby.
Give him only uppercut. I know you got next, but you lost.
No, you on right now. Who's playing right now?
You in this two.
Two.
Against us two.
How come who's not playing?
Me and Tate.
Oh, so now you're joining him, huh?
Yeah.
Go please, anybody.
Don't worry about it. He's a freaking fat winner. He doesn't want to lose.
How about you and Gariz, Boss Society, get a rematch?
No. Me and Boxer,
Go ahead, Boxer, go ahead.
against you two.
Push you on.
No, against you two.
You barely get games in. I gave you a rematch of the day.
Yo, he wants to
Maybe
play.
this side went undefeated. Yeah, you and him.
Ball, please. Ball.
You want to take a break?
Thank you.
Yo, you waste too much time just putting damn gloves on.
I'm in my spot. I'm in my spot. You want me to serve?
First man. Yo, all that warm-up shit starts before the game. Not in the game. No, don't do drugs. Say no to drugs. Your side, homie, your side. I'm talking your side. Picking on your ass. And I'm letting you know. Do you like that, Don?
Take that wall!
Single-handed.
What?
Single-handed.
Little do people know Don carries me.
Go, Don.
Hit him!
No.
Hit him!
No, he chopped it. He tipped it. No, he tipped it.
No touches.
You gotta hold it in?
One sip. Side knows. One sip. Side have a bad game.
Take the glass off.
PLP! Hold me down!
Good shot.
Good ball. Good ball. That's the ball. Good ball.
Wow, nice shot, Rafi.
For what? I don't understand for what. First base.
Is it two?
Better run with that basketball play, you play. Let's go! Down the court. Let's go for a three-pointer over there.
Hold it.
Go it.
Go get a freshie.
Johnny, fresh in.
Solid freshie for you. Ask him who's winning on this side, though.
Leo.
It's yours?
Never mind.
That's us, that's us. First man.
1-2.
1-2.
No, out. I would have caught that sucker. I would have caught that sucker. 3-2. 3-2. Ask him now who's winning.
You losing? He doesn't want to serve it to me.
You said something? You said something?
4-2, serve it here.
You said something? Now he's bend over. What do you want me to do? Lock, bro.
No call.
Lock.
No call. That's no call. No call.
That's not a nice shot. You freaking missed. How's that a nice shot? You freaking missed and messed it up. How's that a nice shot? Yeah, nice try. Keep trying. Keep trying.
Great try. You gotta go hard.
Strong, bro. Strong.
Yo, good looks now.
Yo, I know he looks good. Play ball.
3-4, right? 3-4, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Second man.
That was such a nice shot. Fucking great shot.
Yeah, can you change that, please?
There you go. Get a freshie.
You playing here, you talking there.
4-3, take 2.
Old man running.
My fault, partner.
No country for old men.
With your pink ass hat on.
Same score? Or we scored one? 3-4?
Right side first.
That's all right. It's okay.
I got right. I got right before I.
Now, let me get one now.
Yeah, can you get one too now? Hold it. I got two agents watching me 24/7. Let's see it. Yeah, you want to put that camera over here with me? Come on.
What's going on? You want one?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Let's get it in case I'm winning.
Stop trying to butter me up.
That's what they all say. Oh, in the end. What up, crazy? Come crazy. Crazy always got guns in his hand. Crazy guy always stop. Go. This hand. No. One, you just say, ah, remember? You always say, ah.
Hold it. One serve. One serve.
Yo, I'm gonna turn the camera on, but you gotta show me some shit.
Alright, watch this.
Thank you. Yeah, it's good ball.
Yo, what a gift from Uncle Riz!
Oh! 5, 6, 9.
That's long.
No, hell no. It cracked up. It's good.
That's long.
It cracked up.
That's long.
5, 6. 5, 6.
It's a freshie, it's a freshie.
It's there. It's the ball that we can. Yeah, we got one out. 5, 6 slow. 5, 6 slow. Uncle Riz is about to go down. Uncle side. Hold it.
Straight, this is coming right to me. Just run up. Straight over. Let's go, play ball. Good ball.
Out of my reach.
Line.
Out of my reach. Out of my reach.
Jen, that's it?